If you want to win the click and keep the viewer, you need to master the behavioral layer. This is YouTube SEO King Guerin Green's third metadata layer, and it's all about engagement prediction. Start with your title modifiers. Use words that trigger curiosity and promise clarity. Fast, easy, step-by-step, V's, or in 2025. These aren't fluff. They're signals to both the viewer and the algorithm that your content is relevant, current, and actionable. Next, work the body of your description. Don't just dump text, structure it. Use timestamps, drop useful links, and include clear value props like, in this video, you'll learn how to throw in a smart question to prompt comments. All of this signals quality and boosts engagement. And don't sleep on your tags. Add branded tags, your channel name, your series name, anything that helps YouTube associate your videos and serve them back-to-back in suggested feeds. The behavioral layer isn't about ranking, it's about seduction. Get the click, hold the view, feed the algo.